So Chana and I are going to be working together. Chana has so much wisdom about educators, and the beginning of June, we're going to be starting the Epic IEP Academy for educators, just for educators, because without exception or exemption, they are the ones that deliver that outcome, that change outcomes, that teach kiddos strategies and see them, celebrate them, and grow them. And so she is going to work with me, and I'm going to work with her, and we're going to be co-captains of the academy. And we just want to have a place for educators. There isn't a place for educators. I thought there was. I thought that you all had on matching outfits, and you were on a team, or you had a campus. So for me, in my mind, that looks like a team, right? And so, over the years, I've had the blessing of training educators. They changed my son's life. But I wanted Chana to speak to a little bit of the need. And I don't mean like I need 10 more minutes from a special ed service provider. I need, different kind of line paper, but really wanted to talk about the need for teachers, the need for resourcing them, and the need for community for them.